Today, we're diving into everything you need to know about SoFi, its performance, market dynamics, and what's driving the stock forward. We'll analyze the latest data points and discuss what could be next for SoFi. Hello everyone, welcome to Daily Stock Update. If you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications by hitting the bell, so you never miss any of our uploads and also enter our giveaway. But before that, alert, this is not a financial advice video. SoFi had an impressive day, closing with a 1.67% gain. The stock reached a high of $16.61, which is a new 52-week high, and a low of $16.17. This strong finish reflects optimism in the broader market, as well as bullish sentiment around SoFi itself. With the stock gaining 2.5% this week, it's clear that SoFi is in a phase of consolidation, an essential step in setting up for sustained growth. While the broader market helped fuel today's performance, analysts are also turning increasingly optimistic. Many are looking ahead to next week's jobs data, which could provide the momentum needed for SoFi to take its next leg up. Despite the shorter trading hours due to a holiday, SoFi saw impressive activity with a volume of 31.3 million shares compared to an average of 58.09 million. Options activity was particularly noteworthy. Today's options data revealed an overwhelming bias toward calls, with 26 million in calls and just 3.45 million in puts. This resulted in a put-to-call ratio of 0.3, which reflects significant bullish sentiment. Looking ahead, there's a strong consensus that SoFi could push past $18 in the coming weeks. Bears, on the other hand, are betting the stock will fall below $15. However, with today's open interest totaling 56,000 contracts for options above the $16 strike price, it's evident that market makers will need to adjust their positions, potentially creating additional upward pressure. Short sellers seem to be losing their grip on SoFi. As of today, shorts returned 1.3 million shares, leaving 13.37% of the float still shorted, equivalent to 142.47 million shares. This suggests that most shorting activity is coming from domestic entities rather than foreign ones. The cost to borrow remains minimal at -0.2% on an annualized basis, which isn't particularly alarming. However, shorts are increasingly finding themselves on the losing side as SoFi stock continues its upward trend. Large-scale transactions in SoFi were also notable today, with several purchases exceeding $100,000. One standout transaction was valued at $15 million, while others ranged from $1.9 million to $6.2 million. This level of institutional interest, especially on a low-volume day, underscores the confidence that big money investors have in SoFi's growth potential. SoFi's forward price-to-earnings ratio has become a talking point for both bulls and bears. While bears argue that the current forward PE of approximately 130 signals the stock is overvalued, bulls maintain that this figure doesn't fully account for SoFi's growth trajectory or its evolving financial metrics. Analysts' earnings estimates for SoFi have been described as conservative, with many suggesting they could be revised upward by 20% or more. This would bring the forward PE ratio down to a more attractive level, aligning with the company's rapid expansion and profitability outlook. The upcoming Federal Reserve meeting on December 18th could introduce new dynamics to the financial sector. There's speculation that the Fed may implement a 50 basis point rate cut, which would be a major catalyst for stocks like SoFi. Lower interest rates tend to benefit financial institutions by reducing borrowing costs and spurring economic activity. On a related note, analysts are also watching for potential policy shifts under the new administration. While uncertainty remains, any developments favoring the financial sector could further bolster SoFi's stock performance. Mark your calendars for December 3rd, when SoFi will participate in the UBS Global Tech Conference. This event could provide additional insights into the company's strategic direction and future plans. What's next for SoFi? Based on current trends and market sentiment, SoFi appears poised to continue its upward trajectory. Analysts are forecasting a price range of $18 to $19 by mid-December, with consolidation phases along the way. While it's important to remain cautious, the technical and fundamental indicators suggest a promising outlook for SoFi. Final thoughts. SoFi's journey continues to captivate investors, with today's performance adding another chapter to its impressive story. The combination of strong fundamentals, bullish technical indicators, and favorable market conditions sets the stage for potential gains in the weeks ahead. Friends, that's all we have for you today. What is your opinion about today's video? Get involved and let us know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching.